Hello, I'm Dr. Albert Abena.
And I'm Lizzie.
Welcome to the Oral Health Center on UNE's Portland campus.
Let's go check it out. Welcome to our simulation clinic. This state-of-the-art facility is full of mannequins for our practice. This is where we really hone our clinical skills, we learn from our peers, and we get a lot of feedback from faculty. This is an awesome environment that you'll spend a lot of your first couple years here in. Off of the sim clinic is our wet lab, which is a hands-on workshop area where we learn laboratory procedures, such as creating stone models.
One of the advantages of UNE's Oral Health Center is that we have technology, such as these virtual reality Simodont units, that allow students to develop their hand skills and prepare for taking care of patients in the future. As they further develop their skills, we have this 72-station simulation clinic that allows students to interact with faculty at a high level and further develop their skills, competence, and confidence levels in order to take care of real patients in our patient care clinic upstairs.
One of the best parts of UNE, and one of the reasons I chose to come here, was our early clinical exposure. Starting your second year, you'll come up to the patient care clinic and start working on real patients in state-of-the-art stations, just like this one. The clinic has 76 stations and is equipped with everything we need to perform a full range of dental services, including specialty care. We have intraoral scanners and milling units that enable us to capture digital impressions to fabricate crowns and bridges. Our surgical microscopes allow students to have improved visibility while providing root canal treatment in our endodontic area. In the radiology area, we have our CBCT machine, which allows us to diagnose diseases of the hard tissues and evaluate anatomy for implant planning.
Our patient care clinic serves the main public, improving access to care for underserved populations. In each of our touchdown stations, students and faculty work closely together, collaborating on treatment plans for patients.
With the variety of skills I've learned while working with patients here, I feel well prepared to begin my professional career as a dentist.
Dental students also have access to the Interprofessional Simulation and Innovation Center. Here, students work with other health professions in team-based, hands-on exercises. Thanks for learning about the UNE Oral Health Center.
And we hope to see you in Portland, Maine soon.